Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to take you through a really clean 2012 Jayco Jay Feather 197. This trailer is in immaculate condition. I'm excited about showing it to you. Let's go inside and start there. I love this trailer. It's small yet open. It's got some great features. Come on inside. Up front we've got this east-west bed that goes across. And I think I realized why the trailer on the exterior looks like it was in such great shape. They kept an RV cover over it and they gave it to us. It fits this trailer and it's going to come with this trailer. So that definitely can show you what a, well, let's see, it's 2019, this is a 2012, what a 7-year-old trailer can look like when it's well taken care of. I definitely don't want to show you the price we have in here, but you'll see it on our website. It is phenomenal. This trailer is priced to sell. We've got a TV, nice fridge here. Does come with a freezer too. It's pretty small, but it does have some room to freeze some items. We've got a 3-burner stove with an oven. Now, trailer this size, you're not usually going to get an oven. This one you do, so there's a nice bonus. Large sink. Good cabinetry below and above. Can't show you in there. Price is in there. Media player here. So this will do CDs, DVDs, MP3. It has a USB port and it should do Bluetooth as well. So pretty much anything you want to do with media, this is going to work for you. Lots of cabinetry here in the back. Lots of cabinetry. A few drawers. So again, for such a small trailer, a ton of storage. Really nice bathroom. It's got the corner shower, the toilet, sink, U-shaped dinette here. And then we've got the storage in the corners there as well. Little cup holders. So that goes over the interior. Let's run out to the exterior and go over it. All right, guys, you can see this does have a manual awning. Being a 2012, that makes sense. We've got an exterior light here. Again, I want to point out these graphics. They're in immaculate shape. The colors look really sharp. They pop. There's no fringing on the edges. It looks really good, and that's because it was covered. Tires are in good shape. We've got storage up front here. Now this goes under the bed, and it is a complete pass-through. Follow me around to the other side here. You can see this is a really large opening here. So if you have some large items, maybe a cooler, some big chairs or something, you can get them in under this side. Really, really unique. This trailer next to it, just show the bay size on this real quick. That's a lot bigger trailer and it's a lot smaller bay door. So you don't usually get an opening like this. Take advantage of it. I want to point out the weight. Fully loaded, this is a 4,700 pound trailer. Dry weight on this is 3,700 pounds, so it is extremely light. We've got a nice slide here. We do have some additional storage underneath your booth there. And then back here we've got some cable satellite hookup, our 30 amp service, our sewer dump below. We've got corner stabilizers all the way around. This trailer does have tags until 2020, so there's some savings there as well. This bracket usually is used for a barbecue or a table mount, and there is a quick connection for propane right below that. So that runs off your onboard propane. You're not going to be needing to bring extra propane tanks. Hot and cold exterior shower. One more time. Can you get a close-up of those? Man, that thing, those graphics look like they're brand new. These people took really, really good care of this trailer. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.